अस्सलाम वालेकुम। आज हमारे साथ मिस्टर उसामा हैं जो कि ओवरसीज पाकिस्तानी हैं और ये मलेशिया में रहते हैं। आज इन्होंने काफ़ी अरसे के बाद पाकिस्तान को विज़िट किया है और ये हमारे साथ फैसल मस्जिद को विज़िट करके आए हैं, तो हम इनसे कुछ क्वेश्चंस पूछते हैं। सो हाउ लॉन्ग हैव यू बीन आउटसाइड पाकिस्तान?
5 years.
5 years. What was your reason behind leaving the country?
I got a good job opportunity.
Right. So how do you feel being in Pakistan after so long?
Very good. Very
Right.
good.
Tell us something about Islamabad.
Yeah, it felt different. I think when I left, when I was on the Islamabad highway, a lot of infrastructure has been improved. And after a long time, I prayed in Faisal Mosque today, and it rained actually after that. So it was my first time praying in the rain.
So
Anyway, so it was a beautiful there. Islamabad is as beautiful as it was.
before,
Yes.
yeah. So what difference did you feel driving in Pakistan after so long?
I think, as I said, the infrastructure it has gotten better, uh, but I think people are driving the same way they used to drive 5 years back. So yeah,
Yeah. So you must have traveled abroad as well. So which place do you like the most?
Islamabad all the way.
Islamabad, yeah.
It's beautiful.
And something you like the most about Islamabad, or any place?
Yes, so I was born and raised in Karachi. I spent 25 years of my life in Karachi. So when I came back, when I migrated from Karachi to Islamabad, it was difficult for me because Karachi is so hustling, bustling, and but after a while, you see Islamabad, the peace
Yeah.
and tranquility in Islamabad is just amazing. You see.
So tell us something about Malaysia and your experience there.
Malaysia is also a very good country. It's a Muslim country. It's beautiful as well. It's pretty much more than 90% rainforest. I stayed in Kuala Lumpur. It's one of it's one of the best capitals to live in actually. Um, the population in Malaysia is primarily Muslim, so you'll see mosques there. You'll also see Buddhist temples because there are 33% um, Buddhists there and some Hindus as well. So you'll see like temples there, Buddhist monasteries as well as mosques.
So have you ever offered prayers in Faisal Masjid before, or was it your first time?
Now I used to live in Islamabad, right next to the Faisal Mosque. So yeah, but this was my first time praying in the name.
Praying, yeah. So how was your experience today? And what was the difference?
Uh, yeah, I guess wet.
Yeah,
Yeah, but it was enjoyable. It was a beautiful weather today.
yeah. So I would like to ask, how much do you love Pakistan?
Very much.
Very much.
Pakistan Zindabad.
Yeah. So would you like to give some advice to the people who are struggling for going outside or to get jobs outside?
Look, I went outside because I just got an opportunity, right? So that's why I went there. But I never had an intentions because if you can do something outside, you can also do the same thing in your own country. So you should not feel ashamed of doing anything in your country. When I was studying, when I was in my university, I used to go like in the morning. I used to study, and in the evening, I just sold pamphlets. I just went door to door, you know, sitting on the highway, just marketing some stuff written on the. So we, as a nation and as individuals and as young people, we should not shy away from, you know, working hard.
Right.
There's no shame in any work. Uh, the Prophet, peace be upon him, he used to,
Struggle.
yeah.
So did you feel any difference in Pakistan after all you came here after 6 years? It's
The difference, I know, I think the first is the regime change. Now Pakistan is under a different political regime. But I don't have first hand experience, but I've heard that, yes, in some ways, things are improving. Some ways we are not improving, but we are positive that things will go better in all aspects.
Okay, thank you so much for your time and for coming.
Thank you so much. Pakistan Zindabad.